In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize audio in Audacity. Normalizing is a quick, reliable way to set your audio to a consistent, healthy level without changing its dynamics. Think of it as turning the overall volume up or down so the loudest peak reaches a target level, giving you a cleaner, more polished sound that's less likely to distort. Start by opening your track in Audacity. You can drag the file straight into the window or use the File menu to import it. If you're working with a project that has multiple clips, make sure the parts you want to affect are highlighted. If nothing is selected, Audacity will apply the change to the entire track, which can be convenient when you want a uniform level across the whole recording. Next, go to the top menu and open Effect. From there, choose Volume and Compression and then select Normalize. This opens a small window with a couple of important options that control how Audacity adjusts your audio. First, enable the option to remove DC offset. This centers the waveform around 0 on the vertical axis, which is where it should be. A DC offset can sneak in from certain interfaces or cables and can reduce headroom or cause clicks at edits. Checking this box won't change how your audio sounds in a tonal sense, but it ensures the waveform is properly aligned, which is recommended. Now look for the setting labeled Normalize Peak Amplitude 2. This determines the exact peak level Audacity will aim for. Choose a slightly negative decibel value rather than pushing right up to full scale. Leaving a little headroom helps prevent clipping later, especially if you plan to add effects, EQ, or compression after normalizing. It also keeps consistent loudness without risking overs during export or playback on different systems. If your peaks are currently too high, normalization will turn them down. If they're too low, it will lift them up so that the loudest moment lands right at your chosen target. Before you apply, you can use the preview button in the dialog to hear a short snippet. Listen for a balanced level and make sure there's no distortion. When you're satisfied, click OK. You'll see the waveform adjust instantly, either expanding or shrinking to reflect the new peak level. Play your audio to confirm it sounds consistent and appropriately loud. That's it, your track is now normalized. With DC offset removed and a sensible peak target set, you've created room for additional processing and ensured a clean, dependable level for mixing, exporting, or sharing.